Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. This is Patrinia scabiosifolia. Long name, great plant for mid to late summer color. It's a great pollinator plant. You might think that it's a member of the umbel family with parsley and dill, but it is not. It's more closely related to verbena. It's a long-lived perennial. It's a clump former. It's not really taller than me. I'm just standing down in our rain garden that's currently dry. And it's on the bank of the rain garden. It's a great cut flower as well. And very reliable for bloom this time of year. Patrinia, I'm not sure what that means. Scabiosifolia just means foliage like scabiosa. Like everybody knows what scabiosa foliage looks like, but the leaves are sort of variously lobed. Looks like predominantly three-lobed. Higher on the scape, the leaves are, oh no, it still has three lobes. Still has three lobes, 1, 2, 3. There are other Patrinias. There's one with white flowers that is a real rampant spreader. There's another white one that is a giant, and it's short-lived, but it produces huge numbers of seedlings, so neither one of them we grow. But we do like Patrinia scabiosifolia for its good manners. You might get a few seedlings in the garden, but few enough that you'll be really happy to have them. And I'm thankful for anything that looks this beautiful in August. So grow it in a sunny location. This is a location where it has sun nearly the whole day. It is up above a rain garden, so it's where the soil's not soggy, but just average moisture. Probably do fairly well in part sun, light shade, but I don't have much experience with it in those conditions. It is not a native plant. I think it's Asian. And it has a slight sort of foxy smell to the blooms, but light enough that it's not very prominent. So a great plant. I think I've scared away the pollinators that would otherwise be visiting the flowers, or maybe it's too warm. It's about 95 or warmer. No, there's a couple really wonderful wasps. Those waist-wasted wasps up there are just fascinating. The zoo is open. Come see our insects. Well, I thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden. You might find me still here watching the insects on these flowers.